So before summer is over, I wanted to share my watermelon juice series with you guys. So this is me cutting up the watermelon, getting it ready. I did one plain watermelon and just wanted to juice that up, see what that's giving. Yes, I'm using bananas for that juiciness. So let's see how it turns out. Wow, do you see how beautiful that looks? So delicious. Look at that pure watermelon juice. No pulp. You see? That's why you have to get that accessory piece. And these are just the bottles that I'm putting them in. All done. And I love to try some. That's why I keep some in my little Starbucks cup. And next up, I'm doing strawberries, mint, lemon, and watermelon. So I wanted to do this version just to see how much of a difference it would taste versus just plain watermelon. So let's see. So I wanted to taste the strawberry juice raw to see what it was giving. And yes, it was giving. Very pure, very tasty, fruity, delicious, nutritious. Mmm. Wow. Delicious. Let me know if you're interested in some bottles. I'll send you guys a little invoice. Let me know. Let me know. And of course, my little toddler wanted to be a big helper. Thank you, my sunshine.